Miss Chen. In today's unit, we're going to talk about quantifiers. We will start with all, every, and most. The word all can be followed by a plural noun or an uncountable noun, such as all the students. All the students participated in the hiking activity. Let's do another example. All the ice cream. Sally ate all the ice cream. We can also use all of plus an objective pronoun. We say all of us or all of them. Here's an example sentence. All of us eat lunch in the school's cafeteria. Then, how would you translate this sentence? 他们全部的人都去开会。他们全部 is all of them. So we can translate this into all of them went to the meeting. All right, we are moving on to every. Words like everyone, everybody, and everything are followed by a singular verb. For instance, everyone shares the same opinion on this issue. What about the word most? We use most plus pronouns like most students. We can also say most of if we are talking about a group. If that's a pronoun after most of, it should be an objective pronoun, like most of them. Here's an example sentence. Most of them got a B on their assignment. I have two Chinese sentences here for us to translate. 1. 在乡下每样东西都比较便宜。每样东西 everything. The translation in English is everything is cheaper in the countryside. Second, 我们大部分的人都不喜欢南瓜派。南瓜派 is pumpkin pie. 我们大部分的人 most of us. Putting the whole sentence together, it would be most of us don't like pumpkin pie. Next, we are going to talk about no, none, and any. When we want to express a zero quantity situation, we use no plus a noun plus a verb. For example, no children under 3 are allowed to play here. The word none is often used in short answers. For instance, is there any water in the fridge? No, there is none. Any is the next word we're going to discuss. A common usage is any or anything, anyone, plus a verb. This means it doesn't matter who or what or when. For example, you can visit us anytime. The final part of today's unit is 3 phrases. Both and, either or, and neither nor. Both and goes with a plural verb. Here's an example. Both Mary and Tom are from America. As for the phrase either or, you can use a singular verb in formal situations or a plural verb in informal situations. Example here is, either John or Sally is coming to the picnic. You can also say, either the hamburgers or the hot dogs are attracting ants. The last phrase is neither nor. It can also be followed by a singular verb or a plural verb. The example here is, neither Susan nor Jack has a big house. We use a singular verb because the subject after nor is Jack, and Jack is singular. Therefore, the verb is a singular verb. We have a second sentence here. Neither apples nor cherries are cheap in that store. Once again, we need to check the subject after nor in order to decide the verb. The subject after nor is cherries, which is plural. So we use a plural verb, are. That's it for now. Happy learning. See you next time.